Here are the 4 biggest mistakes I see when people create data visualizations. Number 1, they use the wrong type of chart. So for example, if you're trying to extract revenue over time, for some reason you have a pie chart, that is a very, very bad visualization of revenue over time. And getting the right chart to represent as quickly as possible what you're trying to convey is actually a lot harder than it seems, because you have to get context to the business to understand, okay, how do I tell the business owner quickly, like, this is what's happening in the business at this current moment. Number 2, not labeling correctly. For some reason, analysts, when they create visualizations, they think, oh, everybody will know what the x-axis is or what the y-axis is or what this line represents or what this chart represents. Never assume. Always take a step back and assume you're looking at it with clean eyes, or better yet, show it to somebody else so that they can give you feedback and they'll probably tell you, hey, what is this chart? And that way you can label correctly. And number 3, overwhelming the chart with a bunch of stuff is typically just gonna add confusion. Remember, the brain processes images a lot better than words or text, and so less is more, and just keep it clean and the audience will understand what it is the chart is trying to say. And number 4, the labels on the X and Y axis typically need to be represented in a way that presents the data accurately at scale. So for example, if you're trying to represent revenue from $1 to $1 million in growth, you don't want to create a chart where the y-axis is 1 to a billion, right? Because then the line seems very, very small, right? So you want to actually label the X and Y axis and scale it appropriately to show an accurate representation of what is going on in that chart.